When editing a slide, you're basically going to be editing objects. Anything that's in a slide, that's placed in a slide, is called an object. This is an object. This is a text object. These are also text objects within a text box. And we have here an actual photograph. And all of these things are objects on the slide. And the important thing to know is that many things can be considered objects and placed within a slide. Well, the different types of objects are things like clip art, which we can go ahead and just import and place on a slide. We can put a picture, as we see here. We can put a Microsoft Word table into a PowerPoint slide, or we can put a graph, like a chart or some type of pie chart or graph, and all of these things can be inserted. We see when we go to insert, we have all of those options. We have either a text box or a picture, and then from the picture menu we have clip art or a particular file, and we have tables over here and charts. These are all of the things that can be added into the slide, and those are called objects. So anytime that you're going to be editing a PowerPoint slide, you're going to be editing the objects.